In this video, we are going to explore SQL Aggregate Functions. These functions are powerful tools for data summarization and analysis. The common aggregate functions in SQL are count, sum, average, also known as AVG, min, and max. SQL aggregate functions perform calculations on sets of values and return a single value as the result. They operate on multiple rows of a single column and reduce them to a single scalar value. Some of the common uses of aggregate functions include data summarization, statistical analysis, performance reporting, and group-based calculations. The basic syntax of using an aggregate function is as follows. First, we have the select keyword, followed by the aggregate function. The aggregate function takes the column name as an argument. Then we have the from keyword, followed by the table name. Optionally, we can have a where clause followed by a condition. Also, we can have a group by clause followed by a column name, and a having clause followed by a group condition. Throughout the examples in this video, we'll be using a sample data table named orders. This table includes columns such as order ID, product name, category, price, quantity, and order date. This table will be used throughout the examples to demonstrate the different SQL aggregate functions. The count function returns the number of rows that match a specified condition. The variations of the count function include count asterisk, which counts all rows, count column, which counts non-null values, and count distinct column, which counts unique values. It is important to remember that count ignores null values unless count asterisk is used. For example, let's select count asterisk as total orders, count category as categories count, and count distinct category as unique categories from the orders table. The result will be total orders 6, categories count 6, and unique categories 2. The sum function calculates the total sum of a numeric column's values. It works only with numeric data types, ignores null values automatically, and can be combined with group by for group-wise totals. It returns null if no rows match the condition. For example, let's select sum price as total price and sum quantity as total quantity from the orders table. The result will be total price $2,595.00 and total quantity 13. We can also use expressions with the sum function. For example, let's select sum price multiplied by quantity as total value from the orders table. The average, also known as AVG function, calculates the average mean of values in a numeric column. Average equals sum values divided by count values. It works only with numeric data types, ignores null values in calculations, and rounds results based on database settings. It returns null if no rows match the condition. For example, let's select average price as average price, and average quantity as average quantity from the orders table. The result will be average price $432.50 and average quantity 2.17. We can also use average with group by. For example, let's select category and average price as average price from the orders table and group by category. The min function returns the smallest value in a column, while the max function returns the largest value in a column. Both functions work with numeric, string, and date types and ignore null values. For strings, min returns the alphabetically first value, while max returns the alphabetically last value. Both functions return null if no rows match the condition. For example, let's select min price as lowest price and min order date as earliest order from the orders table. The result will be lowest price $75.00 and earliest order 2023-01-15. For max, let's select max price as highest price and max quantity as max quantity from the orders table. The result will be highest price $1,200.00 and max quantity 4. The group by clause divides the rows into groups based on the values in specified columns. You should use group by when you need to analyze data at a summarized level, to calculate aggregates for different categories, and for reporting and dashboard metrics. Remember that all non-aggregated columns in the select list must appear in the group by clause. Use having clause to filter groups, unlike where which filters rows. Group by is often combined with aggregate functions to provide meaningful insights. For example, let's select category, count asterisk as product count, sum quantity as total quantity, and average price as average price from the orders table and group by category. As a result, we get a list of categories with each category's product count, total quantity, and average price. We can also use the having clause. For example, let's select category, count asterisk as product count, and average price as average price from the orders table, group by category, and having average price greater than 200. In summary, the count function counts the number of rows or non-null values in a column. For example, select count asterisk from orders. The sum function calculates the total sum of values in a numeric column. For example, select sum price from orders. The average function calculates the average mean of values in a numeric column. For example, select average price from orders. The min function returns the smallest value in a column, whether numeric, date, or string. For example, select min price from orders. The max function returns the largest value in a column, whether numeric, date, or string. For example, select max price from orders. Group by combines aggregate functions with grouping to analyze data by categories. For example, select category, count asterisk from orders group by category. Some of the best practices include: use meaningful column aliases for aggregate results. Combine multiple functions for comprehensive analysis. Consider null handling in your calculations. Use having for filtering aggregated results. Always include all non-aggregated columns in group by. Use aggregate functions for data-driven insights. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.